Okay.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Let us start with one Om only. Long, sweet and soft. Start. Namaste. Thanks for coming for this very important function at Prashant Guruji Nilayam. And this is for certification of 1, 2 and 3 individuals. So first I want to tell you that Naveen is my friend who should now stand. And Naveen is, he met me online around 6 years ago, and he is engineer, but his interest in philosophy is very strong. So he has studied Patanjali's Yoga Sutras and Sankhya Karika in very detail. He has studied thoroughly, and he will be able to also teach them now. So I want him to start teaching philosophy. So he will be my first teacher trainee who will start with philosophy like me. I started my yoga journey at the age of 5 with philosophy, not with meditation. Before that I started philosophy at the age of 5. And I went to exercises only when I was 15 or 18. Anyway, so this is Naveen. He has also recently translated the Adi Yoga Sutras into Kannada. So currently we are only editing them, and later we will publish them. So I have decided to give him international certification of 100 hours. So Naveen's mother is here, and I will request her to give this certificate in his hand. So Amma आपको इधर खाना रहेगा, and Naveen will come here. And you stand next to her. मैं आपको उधर ही रहना है. She is in a hurry to give it. So I will read this certificate. It says SciTech Adi Yoga School of California certifies Naveen Jadhav M for completing Patanjali Yoga Sutras and Sankhya Karika studies in details. He is an exceptional student because he did all the homework for my course, which is quite hard, and he also has written these subjects in a short form for his own study, so that he can use them for his personal study and teaching also. So I will encourage him to start teaching it right away. So this is info dena hai aapko. So this is Naveen Jadhav. Now we go to one very interesting person, and that that person's name is daughter. So this is a Naveen's wife, and I have adopted her as my daughter. But we don't know each other's language. She knows Kannada and I know Marathi. So she, what she did was, last time I came here, she started taking interest in yoga, and then slowly she's progressing. So now I think that she is getting into a state where she can start teaching the local community. That means her friends in the same neighborhood, she should start teaching on so small scale. So exercises she is getting very fast in progress. So I think that in course of time she will become a fully certified international yoga teacher. So I am giving her 1/4 of the certificate, which is called 50 hours international certification. And she is an enthusiastic student. That means she is always in a enthusiastic mood. So I will request Amma to give this certificate. Amma is her mother-in-law, and I will also invite Naveen to accompany her because they are supposed to be one unit. So both of you receive this from Amma's hand. You go to two.
सर वो स्टूडेंट का नाम ही बोले नहीं
What is that? That. Oh, I give you another one. Patanjali ka. Okay, that one way. Okay, now we go to Prashant Guruji. He is already a yoga teacher, and he also is a healer, and he knows certain various topics which I don't know. But most of his work is revolving around the healing, and he is also revolving around Mysore city to heal the people. So, आपको बैठना है. So he, what happened is that he met me last year, and he wanted to learn something from me, but he didn't know exactly what to learn. So what I did was, I found out that he was interested in knowing how to use the yoga props. So that subject I have studied a lot. So I decided to give him a short course in how to use the yoga props and their relation with the healing part. So I have only given him the knowledge and some amount of practical training. So based on that, I think he will be able to build up more knowledge, and he should be able to use in his healing work those props. So now I will invite Mrs. Suvarna. Shubhangi. Mrs. Shubha to give this certificate to her. Mrs. Shubha is his well-wisher, and she has done a lot for him. This room is owned by Mrs. Shubha, and she has allowed him to teach here. This room has very, very good vibration. That's why I held this program here. So now I will request Mrs. Shubha to read this and also give him this certificate.
Adi Yoga School, California. Certified Prashant from Mysore, India, for completing 10 hours training in yoga poses of therapy training. Congratulations.
Yoga props and therapy.
Yoga props and therapy training. Congratulations, sir.
I want to tell you that Prashant is a very, very helpful person. So he has many helpful qualities, and he has helped many, many people. So he also helped me many times in this day. So I thank him and also wish him best luck. And apart from this, now I want to also recognize this Mrs. Hema Madam. She is a very accomplished yoga teacher, and most of all, she is a classical music teacher and a dedicated practitioner of classical music. And her yoga teacher was famous. What's his name? Sahas Siddha Yoga. Siddha Samadhi Yoga by Rishi Prabhakar. He was a famous guru. He was a very intelligent, extremely intelligent yoga teacher. He was an engineer from USA and came to India, and he educated many people in lifestyle also. And so I just wanted to acknowledge her here. She teaches classical music if anybody wants to study. And now, what happens now is my yoga student from Italy has come, and her name is Anna, and we have given her another name called Annapurna. So she's a very extremely experienced school teacher, and I saw her doing yoga first time. She just came last week, and she's already doing 2 hours at one time. So, and we are finding it hard to keep up with her. She's very, very strong Italian. So she's walking from here to Agra. 4.5 kilometers. She thinks that's very small walk, but we have to take two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So this is Anna, and she has come first time to India, and she's enjoying Mysore. I asked her, do you want to stay in some very elite society like Gokulam or whoever? She said, no, I like NR Malla. So now all of you sit down, and these three people, Naveen, Prashant and daughter, they have to give a 1 or 2 minute speech. Start. We start with daughter. One to 2 minutes. ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಲೇಗಿ.
ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಗುರುಗಳಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ನಂಗೆ ಮಾತೇ ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
English or Hindi? Kannada also okay.
No, okay, sir.
Mix Kannada English.
The myth, the man, the legend, Shri Prashant Guruji.
ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನೀಲ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ನೋ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಯೋಗನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮನೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ವುಡನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್, ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Okay, now this Charu will tell what he said in English. What he said, telling in English. Whatever he said in Kannada, tell it in English. You remember what he said just now? No? Okay. Don't worry.
So translate what Prashant told. Prashant told Nielsen is very dynamic. He will see whatever it is like with the chair, etc. And he will make a new yoga from there. He will see like from this, like what can be done. And he has learned a lot from Nielsen about how to use the props and how to make dynamic decisions. That's it.
Now your own speech, English.
My own speech, like. To be frank, like I was trying to study a lot of philosophies before. I was starting, but I was not able to end it. I used to start 1 or 2 chapters, but I was not able to complete or go on or complete it like full of motivations. I met Nielsen in the online. Previously, I took only 5 hours class, a little bit about Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Previously, I also had Patanjali Yoga Sutras, but I was not able to complete digestion what it was. With Nielsen, it took nearly 1 year or 1.5 years to complete the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. We took each sutra in a 1 week, 1 sutras. Then each sutra I was able to go through, digest it. I was going to online, a lot of things like I was able to understand like each and every word. From there, the way of thinking itself got completely changed. Looking at the world itself was completely changed. From there, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, I wanted to learn again deeper. Sankhya Karika, we met in Mysore. Then we discussed like I want to learn Sankhya Karika with him. He told okay we'll learn, and then again we started. Again it went for nearly 1 year or 1.5 years to learn the Sankhya Karikas. It was a very long, nearly 3 to 4 years continuously I have learned with him. And thank you sir for teaching me. Thanks. And now I learned like how to start a book and how to end it.
Okay, now I will declare this program to be complete so that Prashant can teach his class online. And thank you very much for coming. And special thanks to Shubhaji and Ammaji and Hemaji.